Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Meta Business Suite how to hide Facebook settings. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you are looking to hide your Facebook settings, while Meta Business Suite doesn't have an explicit hide settings function, you can modify certain settings that influence privacy and visibility, especially concerning who can see your business page and who can interact with your business. To do it, simply head over and open up your Meta Business app and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once logged into your account, simply tap on the more icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, then tap on settings. Now inside settings, here what you need to do is scroll all the way down, and here you'll find an option that says page visibility. Simply select that, and now here you'll be sent to the Facebook. Simply tap on settings and privacy, then select settings. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is scroll all the way down, and here you'll find pages option. Simply select that, and now here you can toggle the options given to you according to your choice. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.